You first put. Okay, so when you're doing
No, let's find these.
Okay, but first thing, when you do a puzzle, you put everything that faces this way. So you put everything facing this way. See, now you got everything. This one turned up, face it up. So now you have all the pieces facing up. Okay?
Let's find these parts.
Okay. But watch the picture and then try to match it there. I can't understand you, I'm helping you.
No, make your own.
Stop, I'm going to stop from this
No,
side.
wait, make your own, and then when you're done, and then we're going to connect it.
You're going to connect it?
It's going to be really fun.
Alright, let's see if we can.
Look, they even switch.
Yeah, it's a color cord. So
Where should I put this? Do you have a purple?
I have a purple. I have a purple right here. You know, I just realized I suck at this. I don't even know these cartoon characters. Squinkies. What the hell are Squinkies? Okay, anyway. Come on, Inara. You're leading right now. You're beating me.
You have to work harder.
I know, Daddy.
You stop. Ow! You're going to pay for that.
You gotta get this. Like this.
Ow! Stop it! I need this.
Okay, you're doing good then. You don't need me. Okay, where's this space? Find this space.
That face?
Yeah.